Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can install Ubuntu operating system on your Windows PC using VirtualBox. So let's start the video. Before I begin, I would like to tell you that I have made this kind of video in the past as well, where I showed you how you can install Mac OS on your Windows PC. So the process will be somewhat similar, but I will tell you all the things in detail in this video as well. So before we can begin, you're going to need some things in order to start. First of all, you're going to need VirtualBox. This is a software that is used to allow you to install virtual machines. By virtual machines I mean different operating systems on your main machine. Other than that, you're going to need virtual machine extension pack. This pack will basically allow you to plug in USB and your virtual machine will be able to detect these USB devices. And last but not least, you are going to need the actual operating system, and in our case we are going to use the Ubuntu operating system. So we are going to need total of 3 things, and I have put the download links of all of these three things in the video's description, so you can go there and you will find all the download links. So the setup for the operating system will be around 3.5 GB, and VirtualBox isn't quite a large software, so you don't have to worry about that. So let me just move towards my Windows PC and I will show you how you can install all of these in a particular manner, and you can get your Ubuntu operating system working on your Windows machine using VirtualBox. So first of all, you need to download Oracle VirtualBox, the extension pack, and the Ubuntu operating itself. First of all, we are going to download VirtualBox and extension pack. So I will open VirtualBox website. I will put this website's link in the video description as well, so you can go there and open this website. Anyways, here we have VirtualBox 6.1.14. that is the current latest version of VirtualBox. And if you are using Windows operating system, here you can see the first option where it says Windows hosts. You are going to press on it and it's going to start downloading VirtualBox for your Windows operating system. So its size is around 103.3 MB, and for the extension pack you're going to scroll down. Here you can see VirtualBox 6.1.14 Oracle VM VirtualBox extension pack. So this is the thing that you are looking for as well. So here it says all supported platforms. You're going to press on it and you're going to download the extension pack as well. And the extension pack is around 10.6 MB, so not a very large file, I would say. So once you have downloaded VirtualBox and the extension pack, it's time to install them. So here I have the VirtualBox with this bluish icon. I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to run it as an administrator. So it's important that you run it as an administrator. The setup wizard, next, and here's the location: C program files Oracle VirtualBox. So this is the default location where VirtualBox will be installed on your PC. I highly recommend that you do not change this default location by pressing on browse. Leave it to its default location and do not change it, because when we change the default location sometimes VirtualBox gives us error. So in my experience, leaving it to its default location is the best. We are going to press on next, create start menu, entries, etc. and yes, and now we are going to install VirtualBox on our PC. So it will take around 1 to 2 minutes depending on the power of your PC. Okay, the setup is complete. Finish. So now here we have our VirtualBox shortcut. We are going to double press on it to see whether we have installed it correctly or not, or whether it is working correctly. So here we have our VirtualBox, and here on the left side you would usually have your virtual machines. Anyways, we're going to close it, and now we're going to install the extension packs, which is indicated by the green icon. So it will automatically open VirtualBox, and here we will have a window. So I'm going to press on upgrade or install, whichever option you have, just press on it, and you need to agree the license as well. So now it's going to install the extension pack, and be sure that whatever version of VirtualBox you are using, you need to have the same version of the extension pack. Like if I'm having VirtualBox version 6.1.14, then the extension pack should also be 6.1.14. anyways, the extension pack this was successfully installed, so we have successfully installed the extension pack as well. So now it's time to download and install the Ubuntu operating system. So now we're going to download the actual Ubuntu operating system as well for VirtualBox. So again, I'm going to open my browser and I'm going to open this website. Again, the link for this website will also be in the video's description. It will be the second link. Anyways, you're going to scroll down and here you will have Ubuntu 18.04.03. It's the version of Ubuntu that I'm going to download. If you want to download any other version, you can find it on this website or anywhere else. Anyways, here you have 4 download buttons. So for this you need to click on the first one with the blue background. You don't need to click on rest of the 3 buttons. So I'm going to click on the first one where its size is 3.6 GB. I'm going to press on it and it will open a new window. And here you will have a timer of 20 seconds. After the 20 seconds, your download should start automatically. So we're just going to wait for around more 10 seconds now. 3, 2, 1, and we're done. So if your download doesn't start, you can also press here to start it, but in my case it has started. I will not download it again because I have already downloaded it. So yeah, so once we are done with the operating system as well, now we can install it on our VirtualBox. So here I have VirtualBox shortcut. I'm going to press on it to open it. So I currently have some other virtual machines as well. In your case, this site should be completely empty. Anyways, I'm going to go on to the downloads folder where I have downloaded Ubuntu's operating system. So in my case, it's in this folder, and you're going to have this zip file. All you have to do is to right click on it and press on extract here. So in order to extract it, you're going to need WinRAR software. Probably most of the people have this software, but if you don't, you can just simply Google it, WinRAR free download, and you can simply install the software. So 99% and it's complete. So now you would have this I would say orangish yellowish kind of cube where it says Ubuntu 18.04.3. anyways, you're going to double click on it and it's going to open these windows automatically if you have successfully installed VirtualBox. Anyways, it's going to show you the machine base folder, meaning wherever your setup will be installed. Now I usually change it because my C doesn't have that much space, but if your C drive has this much space, you can just go with this space. You're going to press on import. You're going to accept the agreement, and now it's going to start importing the Ubuntu operating system into the VirtualBox or the virtual machine. Around 43 seconds remaining. So I'm just going to fast forward the video from here. 99% and we're done. So after done, you will have this on your VirtualBox Ubuntu 18.0.3. so you're not going to start it now, we need to set it up first. Here you will have this gear icon where it says settings. You're going to press on it and a new window should pop up. Now here on the left it says system. You're going to press on it, and now you're going to allocate half of your system memory. So my system has 8 GB of RAM, so I'm going to give it 4 GB. So in this way, whatever memory your system has, you can just allocate half of it. I'm going to uncheck the floppy drive, make sure the cheapest is PixX3, and if I go to processors, again I'm going to allocate half of my processors. I have total of 8 CPUs, so I'm going to allocate 4 to the virtual machine. Now we're going to go to display. For the video memory, you're going to max it as much as possible. Now we're going to go to network. Now here it would say bridge adapter. You're going to press on it and you're going to select the network. If you're going to select any other network, then your Ubuntu operating system won't work. Now here we have serial ports, nothing here to do. USB, make sure that USB 3.0 or 2.0 is selected, whatever your computer supports, and we are all done from here, and we are going to press on OK. Now that we have set it up all the settings, we can simply start Ubuntu operating system on our Windows PC using Virtualbox. Here we have, so you can see that the box is quite smaller as you would expect it to be full screen. So if you want to make your any of your operating system on Virtualbox to get the full screen, I have already made a video on that as well. So a box should appear up right now, and I will put that video's link in the description as well, so that you can have your full view display on your laptop, PC, etc. You are just simply going to close these upper two notifications without clicking them. You need just to close them. So here we have Ubuntu. You're going to press on it and it's going to ask for the password. So the password is Ubuntu itself with all in small letter. Sign in, and once you have signed in, you can simply change the password whatever you like. And now here I am in the Ubuntu operating system on my Windows machine. As you can see right now, here we have Windows and here we have our Ubuntu operating system, and for some instant it has just gone to the full screen by itself. So that's quite cool. I didn't have to do much effort. Here we have, just for an example. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you get notified for my next upcoming video. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.